Meaning of guillemot.
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 Guillemot. A guillemot is a seabird in the auk family, characterized by their black or brown plumage and distinctive white markings around their eyes. They are excellent swimmers and divers, using their wings to propel themselves underwater in search of fish and other prey. Guillemots typically breed in large colonies on cliffs and rocky islands, laying a single egg each year. These birds play an important role in marine ecosystems, serving as both predators and prey. The name guillemot originated from the French word guillemot, which means Little William, likely named after Saint William of Gellone.